Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of adding a group in a community on WhatsApp. Let's get started.
If you haven't already downloaded the WhatsApp app, go to the Play Store and type WhatsApp in the search bar. Look for the official WhatsApp icon with a green and white background. Tap on it and then tap on Install to download the app. Once the download is complete, open the WhatsApp app and sign in using your phone number. In the chat section, tap on the multiple profiles icon on the left side. You will see the communities you are currently a part of. If you are an admin, your communities will appear at the top. Tap on the community you want to add a group to. Scroll down to the Other Groups section and select Add Group. Note that if you are a member and don't see this option, it means non-admin members are not allowed to create groups. You can request the admins to create one for you. If you tapped on Add Group, select Create New Group. Choose the members you want to add to the group and tap on the checkmark icon. If prompted, enter a suitable name for the group. Congratulations! You have successfully added a group to your community on WhatsApp. Enjoy chatting and sharing with your fellow members. Remember, if you encounter any issues or have questions, reach out to the community admins for assistance. That's all for this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides. Thank you for watching and happy WhatsApping.